Hey, what's up guys, this is Sabno here. This is the new iPad mini 7 built for Apple Intelligence. It comes with the A17 Pro chip, Apple Pencil Pro and 4 new colors. It comes at a cost of 50k, available from 23rd October. Apple Intelligence starting in US English later this year. It features 100% recycled aluminum enclosure with a big 8.3-inch liquid retina display. Features True Tone, P3 wide color and ultra low reflectivity, making text sharp and colors vivid. It comes with 500 nits peak brightness. It comes in 4 new colors and you can add a slim lightweight smart folio cover in a complementary shade for front and back protection. This new iPad comes with Apple Intelligence with writing tools, Image Band and Image Playground and new Siri. The new A17 Pro chip that is built for Apple Intelligence has 16-core neural engine which is 2 times faster than previous gen. High-core GPU brings 25% faster graphics and advanced features like hardware accelerated ray tracing for graphically intense play games, and they claim that it comes with all-day battery life. The 6-core CPU gives up to 30% faster performance. New Apple Pencil Pro has pixel perfect precision, low latency, tilt sensitivity and palm rejection. It comes with squeeze gesture which brings up a palette so that you can switch between tools. Barrel roll is a gyroscope that allows you to rotate the pencil for precise control of sharp pen and brush tools. It gives haptic feedback when you squeeze or double tap. With Apple Pencil, however, you can preview where exactly your pencil will touch on the display for greater precision. You can quickly switch between tools with double tap. iPadOS enables multi-touch gestures and use multiple apps at once. You can customize your home screen, clean up your handwriting with Smart Script, and use Apple Pencil to evaluate expressions and plot graphs in Math Notes. The apps designed for iPad like Logic Pro, Notes, and ForeFlight, etc. gives unique experience. It comes with 5G connectivity and 2 times faster Wi-Fi than previous gen. It comes with USB-C port, 12 megapixel ultra-wide front camera. The wide back camera features a 12 megapixel sensor with focus pixels and large aperture for stunning photos and clear 4K video. New ISP in A17 Pro enables Smart HDR4 for capturing images that are more detailed and more vivid. True Tone Flash improves photos in low light. It comes with improved AI document scanning with True Tone Flash, eliminates shadows and glare. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.